Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download Instagram Reels without copying the link. So here I've already opened the Instagram apps and I'm going to just go to the Reels page. Okay, so let's say I want to download this Instagram Reels, but I don't want to copy the link and then use the third-party website to download it. So here's what you can do. So first, click on the share icon, this airplane icon, and then click the reel to your story like this, and then zoom in the reel so that it fits the page. Okay, like this, and then you can just click on the save video or the arrow down at the top right corner. Okay, so after that, just like you can just wait, and just like that, the Reels video will be saved to your phone. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this tutorial will be helpful, so thank you. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe if you haven't done that. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye bye.